the quality of time. You are trying to make physics out of time. No. You can't make physics out of time. You can only make chemistry with time. Have a right chemistry with time. You cannot make physics out of time. If you make physics out of time, you will be dead. If you have a right chemistry with time, you will become biology, alive. So the me resides in this as me, is residing in all of that as me, so that me through this me talking to me.
Yes, go ahead. Can you get coronavirus? Vecha parapenike. Because we get the coronavirus, we all die. I wonder, why don't you die? Actually, no. When I wash my hand or put mask, I can drink the corona beer and fall back to samadhi, where I can see the globalized coronavirus gang, and I will not be able to see the individual localized virus in front of me. Understand? That is why I am not able to die.
A fruit should have a seed. How can there be something called seedless grape? By nature, a fruit should have a seed. How can there be something called seedless pumpkin? Seedless grapes? God. Eat seedless grape, you will become a seedless man. Day starts with sunrise. I don't know how many of you today observed. I got a little late for the Dvajarohanam. It is supposed to be 6:40 to 7. I told the sun, don't come out till I finish the Dvajarohanam. And today 40 minutes sunrise late. See the Biddi sunrise time today. See, there's a Google thing, there's a website where the sunrise time is supposed to be time and actual time is recorded. Today will be 40 minutes late. You want to see? It was actually only after I came out, finishing the Dvajarohanam, sun was even seen in the east. Not because of cloud. Cloud means he will be seen higher. If one teacher cannot write all subjects, one teacher cannot teach all subjects, how can one student learn all subjects? Yes, go ahead.
Actually, my wife has attended last IS only. She got the Atmalinga. After she came back from Varanasi, one day, like after coming from office, it was hectic day for me. I have this partial headache, so I was feeling severely that. If I get that headache, I'll just be vomiting and complete rest is required, that kind of situation. Then she said, I'll heal you. She put Atmalinga and did the healing for 5 minutes and that absolutely no pain after that.
Wow.
And I was able to sleep very normally and the next day was very calm.
So, two miracles in this. One, headache got healed. Second, by wife. That is real miracle. I am very happy and I am convinced about the power of Atmalinga. Your body is not Google. The whole Brahmanda can be stored in Pindanda.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಪಿಂಡ ಯಾವ ಬೋಳಿ ಮಗನಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ?
Expression of the universe. You see, it's actually Krishna was the best DNA. He was the breakthrough of his time. He wanted out of his DNA the whole Bharat to flourish. That's the reason his own sister and his own Arjuna, so it's Krishna's DNA into Arjuna's body gave birth to Abhimanyu. But unfortunately, the Abhimanyu experiment was intensity but not continuity. So that is the reason Abhimanyu's DNA was taken. Subhadra, his Uttara, his son, and Krishna adds continuity into it. To check the continuity only, he uses the Brahmastra to test it, whether the baby is able to withstand the Brahmastra. Then he delivers. From him only the Bharata, the whole Bharata Vamsa. That is why I am saying India cannot be destroyed, because our DNA is Brahmastra test. If you want to fly the Vedic aircraft, all these three, listen, the aircraft, the biology, the body, is kept in the right temperature needed for your body by the support of your body only. There is no separate circuit. And that same circuit only generates the energy of accelerating the equipment. And the same energy only moves physically in physical reality. No three separate mechanism to keep the air pressure inside the flight. One separate mechanism is used in aircraft, and to create the pressure, the engine, separate fuel is used, separate energy is generated to push. That is separate circuit. The third, this movement happening is balanced and kept up and up and low, or increasing or lowering the speed based on what the way we want. The physics, chemistry, biology of aircraft is separate because it is conceived by the brain, which believes intensity and continuity is separate. But Bharadwaja, his brain does not believe intensity and continuity is separate. He knows both are one and the same. So you use the same hand to keep the temperature and the air pressure of the cabin, and the same hand only as the fuel to move, and the same hand only as the physical manipulation of increasing or lowering the speed or the height or the landing and taking off and everything. If any of you are from the field of this aircraft, you will understand the whole aircraft is only this three circuit. That's all. After that, this air hostess giving you brandy, beer, whiskey, and that is separate. Now I am not talking about that. Fundamentally, the aircraft is only this three circuit. To the world. The earlier statement I made based on me is Purusha. Masculine version of explaining Advaita. Now, what I am talking is Prakriti, feminine version of Advaita. Understand? The you in you, when it starts seeking the real you manifest as Guru in me. And when you become deeply devoted, you manifest the cosmic Guru, Paramashiva in me. Listen. So, you in you, only manifests as Guru in me and as Paramashiva in me. So, you seeking the real you manifests as the real you in me and reaches out to you and makes you experience the real you. Listen, the essence of today's satsang is Parashakti version of Suddhadvaitam, Prakriti version of Suddhadvaitam. You in you seeks the cosmic you and makes the cosmic you manifest through me for the you in you. Either the Redmi abuses me or they change their brand now from today from Redmi into RedU, I don't care. People who made fun of the me version, the great gift to them now is you version. Okay, you made fun of the me version of Advaita. Now what are you going to do with the you version of the Advaita? In every level, the problems in your life, no problem is caused by one reason. Please understand. As long as you believe there is only one reason for one problem, you don't know the problem. There will be only one reason for all your problems, but for each of the problems there will be more than one reason. Understand this paradoxical statement. When you analyze each of your problem will have multiple reasons. When you understand all your problems will have only one reason. When you are analyzing each of your problems and you find only one reason, you have not analyzed, you have not understood. When you analyze all your problems source put together, if you find two reasons, you have not understood, you are failed, you have failed. When you analyze the problems independently, you should find multiple reasons. When you analyze the problem collectively, you should find only one reason. Only then you will find a solution. This law of life.